Alright, Jim, the water in the road has receded some. It's now just sprinkling. At least you can see, there's a dry spot in the road. It's still raining some. And of course the field spout is still in play. It's pretty deep here. It's a little higher where that car is. I don't know if you can see Castelli or not, but it's still completely flooded. I'm going to show you the backyard here. Take you around. Try to go slow. That way you don't get sick. Right? You can see a lot of dry spots heading up the road. We'll head to the backyard here. Dex, you gonna come with me? Come on. It's raining, so I doubt that he does. I've pumped off the pool, which the actual hose came off the top. You'll see now where it's starting to come down already in the backyard. It's not as thick as it was. See, it's barely sprinkling. The water level's down in the pool. That corner is pretty flooded. And I don't know if you can tell from here or not what it looks like in the backyard. Ooh, lightning, yay! Make sure I have a good grip on the camera before I open the door. If I can open the door. Dion's lake and the neighbor's lake. Pretty thick. Anyway, and that road back there, it's not flooded, which is good. Yay.